Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Mathematics, Section 2.10, Problem 14. This is Section 2.10, Problem 14. It says simplify, and we have 2/3 to the 4th power. So we have something raised to an exponent of 4. That means you're going to multiply that amount times itself, in this case 4 times, or whatever the exponent is. So that would be 2/3 times 2/3 times 2/3 times 2/3. That would be 4 2/3 all multiplied together. So when you multiply fractions, you must multiply the numerators together and then multiply the denominators together. So as you multiply across the numerators, 2 times 2 is 4, times another 2 would be 8, 4 times 2 is 8, times yet another 2 is 16, 8 times 2, 16. So the numerator is 16. Then in the denominator, multiply 4 3's together. So 3 times 3 is 9, times another 3, 9 times 3 is 27, times another 3, 27 times 3 would be 81. Now notice you can also do this. You're multiplying 4 3's. You can group them together in pairs and make it 9 times 9, which is still 81, whatever you see first. I knew it was 81 really because I was thinking of this in my head first. However you multiply them though, the final result, 2/3 raised to the 4th power, is equal to 16 over 81.